Salvete discipuli. This lesson is all about the pronouns. A couple of rules. First, to help you remember what a pronoun is, remember that pro means for in Latin. So a pronoun is standing in for the noun. Latin does not always need pronouns. It oftentimes will use it for emphasis, and it has the same case functions as nouns that we've been talking about. So if the pronoun is in the nominative, it's the subject. If it's in the dative, it's in the indirect object, etc. Case functions, for example, so in the nominative we got a subject, we. We is a pronoun, we throw the ball, that's the subject. The dative, the kid throws the ball to me, that's the indirect object pronoun. That would be one word in Latin. You would not say ad mihi, it's just mihi. Accusative, direct object or object of preposition, Sue helps me with homework. Who is she helping? She's helping me. Ablative, object of the preposition. The kid throws the ball over you. Over you is a prepositional phrase. You is the pronoun there. This is straight from your charts, so make sure that you memorize these if you do not have them memorized already. All right, so mark and translate with pronouns. Te is your pronoun. So quick check your chart, write it down, and then check your chart, see what case it is, try to figure out its function. And you would see that it is accusative, it's your direct object. Domina is nominative, it's the subject. Laudavit is the verb. So the mistress praises you. All right, we have senex mihi equum dedit. Check your charts, see what case mihi is and therefore its function along with everything else, and you would see that mihi is dative, so it's your indirect object. The old man gave a horse to me, or in English we can also say the old man gave me a horse. All right, here we have nos. So check your charts, see what its function is according to its case, and you would see that it is the subject. We Romans are soldiers. Here, the we is not really needed. It's just an intensifier. It's emphasizing. It's we, us Romans, are soldiers. All right, Dominus, vos. Check your charts, see what it is, and you see that it is the direct object. Dominus, the master, wants to inspect you. You all. For both of these, nos and vos, you probably saw that they showed up twice in the chart. So how do you know that you're looking at it as the direct object versus the subject? Sometimes it's just what logical and makes sense. Other times you have other clues in the sentence, such as this one right here. Dominus has to be the subject. It is nominative. It has nothing else it can be. So it forces this one into its other option, which is direct object. This one right here makes sense because it matches the verb. The verb is first person singular, we. This can also mean we. You wouldn't really have we being the subject and then we also being a direct object. So remember, a pronoun stands in for the noun. Latin doesn't always need pronouns. It has the same case functions as nouns. Valete discipuli.